My name is Prince Kumar and I am a student of BCA third year. Today I am going to show you how to add payment gateway using Stripe card. First of all, you have to go on Stripe official website and you have to log in. I have already logged in, and this is the publishable key and this is the secret key. Once you have logged in, you show a secret key. Yet I am not logged in, so it is not visible. Then you have to copy publishable key and secret key. Now you have to go on another tab and search PHP Stripe card API. You have so your plenty of website, but you have to go on GitHub and download the PHP library for Stripe API. Once you download the code of Stripe API, you have to extract on your project file. You have to see I am already extracted, that is Stripe PHP master. Now you have to create another PHP file, that is config.php, and you have to include or require a file which is included in PHP Stripe master, and then you have to write publishable key which is generated here, that is my publishable key. And now you have to generate secret key. As you see, my secret key is not visible because I am not logging yet. Then you have to write this code. This is simply include set Stripe API key. Now you have to go your payment page. In payment page, you have to write simply this code. You have to, if you don't remind this, then you have to go on Google and write here